Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another trap beat. I'm going to be making Mozambique trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Mozambique trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. When making your trap beat, before you start, how to launch your FL Studio, just put your cursor like this, right click on your mouse, then click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I just need to enter my FL Studio out of this. This is my channel rack. This is my mixer. This is my playlist. When working on your playlist, make sure to always switch it to song mode like this. But now I'm going to put it to pattern mode. I'm working here, pattern mode, song mode, so I'll put it pattern mode. I'll just put it on pattern mode. When working on your channel rack, put it here on pattern mode. When working on your playlist here, put it to song mode. So pattern mode, I will start with my channel rack, which this is my channel rack. I only hear the beat when I'm playing on my channel rack here. So the next step, I'm going to click on add, then click on, I'll just pick this blocking called FL keys for my Mozambique trap beat. The next step, I'll put my cursor on this empty space. As the cursor is showing up and down arrow, I will left click. I'll just press the left click button on my mouse and hold it. Turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. Put my cursor on FL keys. Right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. So I'll start to program my Mozambique trap beat now. Okay, as you can see, I've created my 2 bars pattern of my Mozambique trap beat. I'm going to click on select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left, which I can press Ctrl and A on my keyboard, then press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. I'm going to modify it a little bit. I'm going to click on draw. I'm going to modify it with my bass melodies. As you can see, I've modified it with my bass melody here. The next step, I'm going to pick another melody again, which I'll click on, add here, then click on this 3 times aux. That's it. I'll put my cursor on top of this empty space. As my cursor is showing up and down arrow, I will left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 7. Put my cursor on this 3 times aux, right click, and then click piano roll. So these are my bass melodies like this. These are my bass melodies. Good. The next step is I will start to program my hi-hats now. Watch the way I program my hi-hat. This is my hi-hat on channel 3 on my channel rack. I will right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. I'll just program the first 4 bars. That's it. As you can see, that's my hi-hat from 1 to 4. So press your Ctrl and A, on your keyboard, when you press Control and A at the same time, then press Control and B to copy it right to bars number 8. Now view channel rack. On channel 3, on channel 4, I will right click, then click piano roll. I will start to program my snare now. This is the Mozambique trap beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's okay. Now another bounce. Inside the 4 to 5, we are going to add another bounce. 7 to 8, another bounce. 2 to 3, another bounce. Watch the way I'm creating the bounce. That's okay. I will left click, hold it, drag it to channel 1 on my channel rack, right click, then click piano roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's the 6 bar, the 7, and the 8. That's okay. At 1 bar, I'm putting my one kick, and number 2 bar, I'm putting 3 kick. Number 3 bar, 1 kick. Number 4 bar, 3 kick. Number 5 bar, I'm putting 1. Number 6, 3 kick. Number 7, 1. Number 8 bars, 3 kick. That's okay. The next step, let's go to our mixer. So make sure you use these tools. As you can see, if we are cursor, you see view playlist, view piano roll, view channel rack, view mixer. So I'll click on mixer. 6 and 7, I'll bring down my 6, which is my first melody, the 7, which is my second melody. So as you can see, I'll bring down the melodies. You can see color your melody, so I'll just put here, right click, then edit event. I can see edit my melody, but for now I won't just edit it. So you can edit your event the way I've shown you. Right click, then edit event. That's it. You can modify it at channel 6, but let's not go straight into details for that. But first, 6 I'll bring it down, 7 I'll bring it down, 6 I'll click on slot 1 to mix it. Fruity limiter. On number 2 I'll add a fruity soft clipper. On number 3 I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 4 I'm going to add this one called Maximus. That's okay. This is another plugin for today. Then number 7, I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity limiter. Number 2, I'll click on slot 2, add a fruity soft clipper. On slot 3, I'll add a fruity parametric EQ2. That's okay. Then 3, which is on channel 3 on my mixer. First of all, let me explain again. On my channel rack here, to mix your hi-hat, 3 has been routed to this mixer, which is channel 3. Which my channel rack here, the first melody, which is number 6, has been routed on channel 6 here, which I'm mixing to limit, to put a soft clipper, to make the voice soft. That's okay. So make sure you use your channel rack and your mixer here. On channel 3, if you look, this is my channel rack here, channel 3, which has routed channel 3 on my mixer. I'll click on slot 1, add a soft clipper. On channel 4, which is my snare, if you look on my channel rack, this channel 4 snare, this is channel 4 here. I'll click on slot 1 and add a fruity limiter. That's okay. On my kick here, if you check on my channel rack here, this is channel 1 and channel 1 on my mixer. So I'm going to turn up my mixer on my kick on my mixer. That's it, right up. Now on channel 1, now let's go to our mixer, to our channel rack. This is our channel rack here. I'll click on the kick, click on the effect target, turn the boost knob right up. That's okay. Now let's go to our playlist. If I put my cursor here, they say view playlist, I'll click. This is a playlist here. On pattern 1, I'll right click. I'll just put my cursor on top of the on top of the pattern 1 here, right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we are programmed has appeared in the top left corner of our FSO. Use these tools up here. Make sure you always use this tool: draw, paint, delete, mute, sleep, slice, select, zoom, and playback. I'll click on my kick, click back. I'll click on the hi-hat, click back, click on my snare, just click on my playlist, click on my FL keys, click on my playlist, click on my 3x aux, click into my playlist. Now I'll click on my select, put my cursor here, left click and hold the left click button, drag my mouse to the left. Another way you can say press the Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat. I'm extending my beat now. So I'll click on my draw. I'll put my cursor like this. Right click to remove the the kick. Right click to remove the hi-hat. I'll put my cursor here. Then just right click on my mouse to remove the snare to create space on my intro. This is my intro from 1 to 7. That's my intro. So I'll click on my select, then put my cursor like this. Left click and hold it. Drag my mouse to the left, which you can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B to double copy it again. Then put your cursor like this, drag it to the right to see what you are really working on. I'll click on my draw, click on my FL keys, then extend my outro. Make sure it align. I'll click on my 3x aux, click on my outro to make sure it align. I'll put my cursor onto my hi-hat, right click to remove the hi-hat, put my cursor onto my snare, right click to remove the snare. Now let's go to our mixer 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor on channel 3, right click on my mouse, then click create automation clip on channel 4. I'll just put my cursor on channel 4 on my mixer, right click on my mouse, then click create automation clip. This function is to control the volume automatically. Now let's spice up the beat. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, just scroll it a little bit up to see the program hi-hat. I'll just click on my hi-hat, then click it here, just spice it a little bit to create something that will change here when the intro is ending. So the hi-hat will start here before the beat start to drop. Now I'll just add a little bit here, add a little bit. I've already finished to create a Mozambique trap beat. Let's listen to the Mozambique trap beat from the start to the end. See you tomorrow in another video how to make trap beats. Today I've already finished. Thank you for watching. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished to create the Mozambique trap beat. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.